DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
What's good, you two? So boy, Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger. Yo, clapping yourself. Yo, that mafia, it's been a minute, gang. You know what I'm saying? Since I've done a recording. All the stuff I've been dropping lately has been from lives. You know what I'm saying? But today we got a request from one of our Dan Mafia member. This one is from DKS Judge. Big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? And he said react to TMan BLIXKY, and we're gonna check it out. Is this our first time? I think this is the first song we did from TMan by himself. I'm not sure. We did collabs from TMan. Hold on, gang. So let me check this out just to make sure. Yeah, we did a song way between TMan and KMan. You see me? Yeah, man. But other than that, I haven't listened to no individual TMan tracks. So we're gonna check this one out, gang. See what I gotta deal with. You see me? And see what it is from. On Trader, he did great. You know what I'm saying? My Walker and Match Eater came together very cohesively. Made a great track, Trader. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out right now and check out my reaction. You already know. Check it out. It's on the channel. It's KMan featuring TMan Trader. So check that out. You know what I'm saying? Real dope track, man. Check out my reaction also. Check out the track. But yeah, man, they came together well on that track, and they did great. So that's what got us more interested in more TMan reactions. And then DKS Judge went ahead and dropped a request. And we're gonna check out the one. As you know, I said, yeah, man, this is TMan BLIXKY. I'm not even gonna hold up the vibes much longer, gang. I want to see what this shit is heading for. So let's jump right in the track. This is TMan BLIXKY. Let's get it. Clot.
BLIXKY.
Thing never started and be a gun and be a thing. Man, I just feel ominous feeling. Come on.
Yo, east side. Some different kind of style. You want it?
Boss.
K.
TMan.
I'ma say 8. Matter of fact, I'ma say full 8.
Why the nigga look like Jaffras, bro? Cause look like Jaffras. See, I'm lying. Cause look like Jaffras suffering. Yo, go on.
I'ma say 8. Matter of fact, I'ma say full 8. I mean block it. Can I hear me say? Some evil killers my power.
Wow. Evil killers, some dirty blood. Clyde, Katie, why you never cheap hope like say, hey, come on.
Big up King Boss and Nelson's. Big up the Locketime, I don't know. Easy. Do make me call me like a shooter them from Millview. Pass my gun, start the car, make we drive through. We run them down and drag them out away the 9 do. Johnny K start kicking on the come.
Whoa. Man, I expect that, dog. Damn, this audio clean and this man flow is clean, but this man look like Jaffras, dog. No cap, gang. Tell me if I'm tripping, man. Hey, I like this. The audio clean. No fuck, dog. Let's get it.
Do make me call me like a shooter them from Millview. Pass my gun, start the car, make we drive through. We run them down and drag them out away the 9 do. Johnny K start kicking on the kung fu. By the way, me got the Glock with the pan too. Couple contract, killer figo kill too. Rolling with the mafia.
Easy, dog. Come in deadly pan the one man. You see me say pull up on the block, run them down and make the. Hey, come on, man,
make
come
me
on.
call zoom. Killy got the Celtic ready for bust too. On the men's crawler than have to crawl through. Open them head rhyme just do. Hot skull ever cool and in a frighten.
Oh man say hope them head rain just do, dog. I have to them. Come on.
Killy got the Celtic ready for bust too. On the men's crawler than have to crawl through. Open them head rhyme just do. Hot skull ever cool and in a frighten. Bully with the bulldog and it a bite you. Legend rise
bully with the big dog and it a bite you, know, man. Be yourself, you know, my youth.
Cool and in a frighten. Bully with the bulldog and it a bite you. Legend rise some tall like bamboo. When Blaze bossy K better move. Say we fully outside, big up the loose screws. Yeah, girl attack.
Yo, me like the beat. This beat so it's simple but got that hit. It's doing what it's supposed to do. You see me, man? Say man ride something like a bamboo, bro. Hey, better behave on yourself.
Blaze bossy K better move. Say we fully outside, big up the loose screws. Yeah, girl tactics deny make news. And a movie a film when we take two. Make the SK stooky like QQ.
And a movie and a film when we take two, you know, dog. Behave yourself, my youth. Yeah, man.
News and a movie a film when we take two. Make the SK stooky like QQ. Got the Asian K name she.
Boy say, yo, make you sticky like QQ, my yo. Be yourself, more that. Come on.
Big up the loose screws. Yeah, guerrilla tactics, the night make news. And a movie of him when we take two. Make the SK stooky like QQ. Got the Asian K name Shifu. Short pair with the skin like Bluetooth. Yeah, we send them home. Mata go take a soul. Yeah, the clip them know.
Easy on my yo, the money. Hey, these niggas come some calm and deadly just. Whew. It's track fire.
Yeah, with the skin like Bluetooth. Yeah, we send them home. Mata go take a soul. Yeah, the clip them load. Ready fi go empty out. Very evil. East side is not no fucking joke. The 9 minute star. Comfy take it up first. Mark X pon the turf. Put it in reverse.
Yeah, man, fully east side. I'm not joking, man. You see me, then got east side at Trinity. Big up east side.
The 9 minute star. Comfy take it up first. Mark X pon the turf. Put it in reverse. Fully automatic dog. That a rapid burst. Squeeze
10 panny. Put it in reverse, bro. Mark 10 at the air. Yo, come on, gang.
Mark X pon the turf, put it in reverse. Fully automatic dog, that a rapid burst. Squeeze down pon the trigger, nigga head explode. When the 9 roll out, you know the thing I go.
Yeah, man, bro, you know a rapid burst, you know. Squeeze pon the trigger, you know, man. Thing I jump out, brain open up and it explode, you know, man. Come on, gang.
This the 9 double M, the kingdom coming down. Yeah, we drilling from the sun up till the sun go down. Me lift the key and then me beat it like a toss a drum.
See what this what I tell you. I tell you this remind Trinidad music scene remind me Chicago, bro. Shy right, bro. Is your man say, man, we a drill from morning till night come, bro. But I'm telling you, remind me of the drill scene, bro. Come on.
Yeah, we drilling from the sun up till the sun go down. Me lift the key and then me beat it like a toss a drum. Me open fire and everything, me shuffle it down. The Draco riddle up them body, pussy couldn't run. Mount a con in your body, then can even come. Before you did the last thing is
Mount a con, brother, then can't even count it, brother. You see me? They just put on repair numerous gunshots. Yeah, come on.
Pussy couldn't run. Mount a gun in your body, then can even come. Before you did the last thing, you see my fucking gun. The 42 up them face and no chewing gum. You look a one gun.
My last thing you see, I'm a gun in my yard. 40 I chew off your face, you know, brother. And I'm not chewing gum in my yard. Yam your food, you know, brawling, you know, man. Yo,
the last thing you see my fucking gun. The 42 up them face and no chewing gum. You look a one gun, but I the boss one. Stop pipe up yourself in a boss none. Never will I AK with the pan drum.
How we dog attack, gang? Let me know in the comment section. Man say, yo, you have a one gun, but at the boss one, you never own none, brother. How we dog attack? Eh? Let me know that, mafia, bro.
Stop pipe up yourself in a boss none. Never will I AK with the pan drum. Ever bleach all night till the ups come. Finger itching, cause we ready fi go kill some. No safety pan Glocks, so the fuck around. Far I make them hear how the gun sound.
No safety pan this, you know, dog. You see me, so don't fuck yourself, you know, brother. No safety, you know, the pan that one, you know, man.
No safety pan Glocks, so the fuck around. Far I make them hear how the gun sound. Treat them head like I do, I get banged down. Shoot some pussy and no camera when me dip on shooting. Head boss, empty the clip and then me keep on moving. Extra clip in a pocket because we too cruel. Me no know gas them and who I give them.
That's an extra clip in a pocket cause we too cruel. I'm telling my yard, you yourself, man. You see me, we not stop, you know, man. We go over the limit, you know, man. You see me, I say extra clip, you know, so when the one I done, we go change it. You see me, I empty the one and I done change it.
Keep on moving, extra clip in a pocket because we too cruel. Me no know gas them and who I give them fuel. Walk up on them any day and me no care of viewing. Black force, black kit, so the killers do it. Roll out like the military, so we fully loaded.
Easy.
Boy catching 19 and me no talk COVID. What you right?
Roll out like the military. Boy catch the 19 and we not talk COVID in there, bro. You see me, I say? Easy. Come on, kid.
Like the military, so we fully loaded. Boy catching 19 and me no talk COVID. Watch your rifle balance and I pick him up. Slay a World War 3 when we stepping out. One thing the kill is ready, she go shoot it out. Front to the back, the place govern up. If I war, then I war, him a gun.
Rifle balance and I pick him up, you know, dog. Then think of World War 3 when he done dog and step out. You see me? Think of war, bro. Think war broke out again when you hear gunshot and step out from Korean boy food, bro. Boy, come on, no man. Yeah, man.
Go shoot it out. Front to the back, the place govern up. If I war, then I war, him a gun cock. As I on mark pass, me go knock it up.
War.
We a beat up the new Glock. Mal the squeeze 9, now the chrome top. Hellman make the whole place shake up. Them look to the tanks.
This wicked. TMan, I wanted the first, actually. DJ. You see me? Everybody else I sing J. Yeah, I one of the few, man, Plumpy. You know, say them different teams, I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, You don't see much DJs, more sing JS here, come out of Trinidad, you know. Come on, but we
Sunny
don't
fall boss, King Boss tell them we no talk much. Bring the star, me the berry me a talk about.
I say bring the star, man, they bury me and talk about you, see me? Clad. Big up yourself, TMan, the one in name BLIXKY. Tuna man. Big up yourself, dope track, bro. TMan, hey. Now, yeah, dog. No, I mean, TMan got me hella curious right now, gang. Yeah, man. Got me hella curious right now, gang. I gotta listen to more TMan songs, bro. You see me? Yeah. Come like TMan is the DJ. Like K-Man is the sing J, TMan is the DJ, bro. You got more lyrics, more spitting. Hey. Gotta check out more TMan, gang. So shout out to DKS Judge for requesting that song, man. Real dope ass track. You know what I'm saying? Big up TMan. You see me? Big up the 9, you know what I'm saying? You see dog doing this thing. You see me? It's a real dope track full of lyrics, melody, all that good stuff, man. Yeah, man. I'm interested to hear more TMan, gang. So let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me? If I like a show the artist, all of our support, make you know say Jambisco dance. I don't know. TMan, you did that shit, bro. I'm gonna listen more track from you, definitely. You see me? I said, gang. So drop in the comments in the comment section. Hit me up on Discord, link in the description. Make sure you check out the lives, gang. Yo, you already know what time it is. On the road to 10K, 100K, a million, gang. That mafia, they can't stop with. We taking over. You already know what time it is. Boy, Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.